me, this is like great. This is giving me cute black girl easy makeup. Like, I love this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany H. If you guys do not know, today I'm going to be giving you guys a simple no makeup look. I don't know what it's titled as. I don't know if it's titled no makeup or what. So yes, I'm going to be giving you guys a very simplistic makeup look. This is the look that I do when I'm feeling lazy and I have somewhere to go and I want to look cute. It's very easy, do not take any time. I do it like anytime in the mornings too, when I get up and I have extra energy and I just want to look good today. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna do this. It's very quick, very easy. So I think it requires less than 5 products. I really think it's like 3 products that I usually use, but I might add in a few other things today for this video. I don't know, we'll see as we go along. So I had to move my hair out my face a little so you guys can see clearly. So the first thing I'm gonna go into is foundation. For looks like this, sometimes if you feel like you don't need foundation, you can use concealer, but I think I'm going to give you guys a separate video on doing this method, this minimal makeup with concealer. But I'm going to use foundation just because this is what I've been using, but I might give you guys one with concealer if you guys want to see one with concealer, and it will be like no foundation. So I'm going to use my Giorgio Armani foundation, Luminous Silk in the color 14. This is a little bit darker than my skin, but I feel like once it's on, it kind of blends, but you guys can see once I put it on. I think it just works, but so I pretty much just put this. Some days I'll put it only in certain areas. Some days I'll put it all over my face. Today I'm gonna put it all over my face just because I noticed that when I put it all over my face, it looks like I don't really have anything on, because this foundation is not like, it's not full coverage. It's really not. It's very like liquidy. It has a very light coverage, so I feel like it evens out my skin, but at the same time it doesn't cover up too much. So if you have blemishes, it will show through. And I feel like it's very hard to like layer this. So as you can see, my blemishes over here still show through, and my blemishes over here are still showing through, which I really don't mind. Like, I'll go over it a little bit, but if it still shows through a little, I'm totally okay with that. Just because this is like supposed to be like a really natural look, and I feel like with natural looks, you have to try to embrace some of your imperfections. That's it with the foundation. It looks good. It looks like skin, and that's what we want. That's what we like right now. So next we're gonna go into this powder, which is a favorite of mine as far as setting. It's a setting powder. It's CoverGirl's Vitalist Healthy Powder in the color medium beige. This has been a staple in my makeup collection. Like, I bought a couple of these. I love it as far as setting under eyes, and I use this a lot by itself. So what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to take this brush, I'm just going to pat this brush in there. It's like a little flat brush. Going to pat it in here, and I'm going to pat this onto all the areas that we would apply concealer and we want to highlight. And this is only the second product that we're using. We just did foundation, now we're on setting powder, second product. So I like to place this under my eyes. As you guys can see, the difference from over here where I applied it and over here where I don't have it, it really sets the area and brightens the area how you need it to be brightened. And this powder, I usually just press it into my skin and never really have to like brush it away. Once I press it in, it's like pretty good. It's like set. I like to bring it up on the sides of my nose just because we are going to contour our nose later. Just gonna bring it up onto the side. I'm gonna use my fingers to just blend it out so it's not harsh. And I'm gonna go in on my chin with this as well. And I'm also gonna take it above my lip just because if you're like me, above my lip tends to be darker than a lot of areas on my face. So we're gonna go down the nose. I'm also gonna go on the forehead with this. I don't like to bring it up too much. I noticed that sometimes I'm bring it up a little bit too much on my forehead and I just don't like how it looks. So we're just gonna really just pat it in this little bright area right here. So as you guys can see, we're only on our second product. And you see the face already looks super good. Only on the second product. So now this is where I go in and really contour my face. So first I'm gonna start off with the nose. I usually use cream, but I'm gonna go in today with my Morphe bronzer, and this is Leader. Yeah, I'm gonna use this one to bronze up the face. I'm gonna start with the nose. And I'm just gonna bring it down this side. And I do take this up into my brows. And this is only the third product that we are using, guys. Keep track. Now we're gonna take that powder again. We're gonna do some contouring along the cheeks and around the forehead areas. I'm also gonna take it underneath the chin area. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and brush it on my lids just to put some of that product there. So we are on our fourth product, and it looks like I'm using two. I'm only using the brush on this one. So we're gonna be using the NYX Fill Fluff pencil. This is an espresso. I'm gonna use this to fill in my brows. I prefer a pencil when it comes to really like minimal, no makeup looks. I'd say a pencil is always the best way to go. So I pretty much just brush my brows up, and then I'll just go in and fill them in very quickly. And I only focus on where it needs it. And I really don't focus on trying to get like a perfect brow when it comes to doing this look. My main focus is just like the tail of my brow, just because that's where it really needs to be filled in. And I'm just using my finger to like blend out the front of my brows. So once that's done, we're gonna move on to our fifth product. Yeah, so it's gonna be 6 products that we're using. So we're gonna move on to our fifth product, and our fifth product is my mascara. You can use whatever mascara works for you. This is my Lancome mascara. Yeah, it's like a mini version. I like to use it under my eye on my lower lashes. So I'm just putting it on my lower lashes. I have on lash extensions on top, so I'm not gonna put any on there. This will just brighten up the eye and help the eye to pop and not look so dull. So I say this step is optional because there are some days where I don't do this step. There's some days where I skip this and I just go. We're gonna move on to the lips. Now with the lips, this next step is optional, but it's something that I do sometimes and some days I don't. So some days after this, I'll just go right into my lip gloss and that's it. This that Beauty Splasto lip gloss, my favorite. So I'll just go right into my lip gloss and then be done with this look. Then some days when I'm trying to be extra and if like I'm really going out or something, I'll line my lips with my dark brown lip liner as well from the beauty supply store. This is the Absolute New York Waterproof Gel Liner in dark brown. Yeah, so today I'm actually gonna line my lips. I love this liner. I think I mentioned this in my last video. It just glides on. Now after I do that, I'm gonna go in again with the paper and I'm gonna wipe off the liner off of my lip. I want it to really just line my lips, but I don't want it to be on my lips. Now I'm gonna go in with my gloss This is our regular old beauty supply store gloss. So after that step, we are pretty much done with the look. That is it. That is my minimal, no makeup look. Super cute. I'll let you guys get a view of the face before I put my hair back in the front. But this is the look. Some people do go in and add blush and stuff like that, so there are other things that you can add to this for your liking. For me, this is like great. This is giving me cute black girl easy makeup. Like, I love this. So if you guys like this look, let me know in the comments. Also be sure to subscribe because I am going to be giving you guys videos. I'm coming with the videos. I was supposed to give you guys a Valentine's Day video, but today's actually Valentine's Day. But I will see you guys next time.